if you're going to create a scale with the measurements we already made, you're going to have to set up two fractions. And in the instructions, it does not explain what these different variables mean, but LP is the length of your paper. Length of the paper was 28 centimeters. LC is the length of your cartoon, the picture that you're going to enlarge. The length of the cartoon was 5.2. Width of the picture, width of the cartoon, so that's 21.6 over 3.3. These were all in centimeters. And what you're going to need to do from there is you're going to need to actually calculate, and you are welcome to use a calculator for this part. You need to actually calculate what these numbers are, because this number is going to make a big difference. So I'm going to actually divide 28 by 5.2. So I'm going to take the 28. I'm going to divide that by 5.2, and I'm going to get 395.78. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. Oh, sorry, I hit the wrong button. That's way too large. 28 divided by 5.2. 5.38. That makes a lot more sense. So this one gave me 5.38 when I divided. If I do the other one, that's 21.6 divided by 3.3. I get 6.54. So 6.54. Now, read the next part very carefully. This is where people make mistakes, and this is where people end up having projects that make no sense by the end. Pick the smallest of the two numbers, that would be 5.38, to the nearest whole number, rounded down. If you round it up, you will not have room on your paper for this to all fit. If I round this down to the nearest whole number, what would it be? 5. That's the number I'm going to write up here. 1 centimeter in the original drawing will account for 5 centimeters. I guess it already says centimeters. On my large drawing. So I'm basically going to take my original picture. Oops, thought it was under there. So I'm going to take my original picture that we drew the 1 centimeter grid on, and I'm going to multiply everything by 5. It's going to be 5 times as large by the time I'm done with this project.